Hi everybody, welcome to this week's Get Famous Friday PR tip. What I want to share with you all today is putting your elevator pitch together. I know you've heard that expression before, but you really need to be really succinct in what your message is. And that's really important because if a journalist reaches out to you, or let's say you get a little snippet, you get a quote in a magazine or a newspaper, or you get a little segment on television, you have to be able to formulate your message and what your business does and why you are the expert in an elevator pitch. So I would start practicing it. There are lots of resources out there to Google it. Do a 30-minute and a 1-minute elevator pitch just so you can really, and the whole theory of this is when somebody asks you what you do and you're in the elevator and you only have 7 floors to share it, how quickly and succinctly can you do it? So work on your elevator pitch. It's really important to have that and always ready to go when you meet somebody or the media calls, you meet someone in the media. So that's this week's PR tip. If you haven't joined us yet, in the free PR challenge, I hope you do. It's at yourprchallenge.com. I go through simple steps for 10 days. We have a lot of fun. We have a great Facebook group. And by the end of those 10 days, you will be getting massive visibility. So I can't wait to see you there, and I can't wait to see you in the media.